and today I'm going to explain about the 7 wonders of world. Taj Mahal is located in Agra, western Uttar Pradesh, northern India. It is considered the finest example of Mughal architecture in a blend of Indian, Persian and Islamic style. The Taj Mahal is also one of the world's most iconic monuments visited by millions of tourists each year. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632 to immortalize his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. She died in childbirth in 1631 after have been the emperor's inseparable companion since their marriage in 1612. The architect of Taj Mahal is Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The Taj Mahal is considered to be the greatest architectural achievement in the whole range of Indo-Islamic architecture. The construction for the Great Wall of China began in the 7th century and continued for 2 millennia. One of the world's largest building construction projects, the Great Wall of China is widely thought to be about 5,500 miles, which is 8,850 kilometers long. A disputed Chinese study, however, claims the length is 13,170 miles, which is 21,200 kilometers. The Great Wall of China was built as a military defensive line to defend the invasion from some northern nomadic nation. When Emperor Qin Shi Huang ordered the construction of the Great Wall around 221 before Christ, the labor force that built the wall was made up largely of soldiers and convicts. It is said that as many as 400,000 of people died during the wall's construction, and many of these workers were buried within the wall itself. Machu Picchu was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 and was named one of the new 7 wonders of the world in 2007. In the Quechua Indian language, Machu Picchu means old peak or old mountain. Machu Picchu is made of more than 150 buildings ranging from baths and houses to temples and sanctuaries. The compound contains more than 100 separate flights of stairs. Most of the individual staircases were carved from one slab of stone. Although many of the stones that were used to build the city were more than 50 pounds, it is believed that no wheels were used to transport these rocks up to the mountain. Rather, it is thought that hundreds of men pushed the heavy rocks up the steps mountain. Chichen Itza is an archaeological site in Yucatan and one of the most visited locations in Mexico. The term Chichen Itza means the mouth at the well of Itza. It is believed Itza means water magicians, deriving from the Mayan Itz, for magic and for water. El Castillo, the temple of Kukulkan, is the famous pyramid which dominates the site of Chichen Itza, and it actually sits on another much older temple. The design and layout of Chichen Itza was clearly well planned, and builders constructed temples and pyramids in set of clusters. Located on the north side of the Kukulkan pyramid is the platform dedicated to the planet Venus. The Mayans were devoted astronomers, and the movements of Venus held special meaning to them, with it influencing the architecture of the ancient Mayan city Uxmal. Many of the sites in Chichen Itza are known for their unusual sound. If you clap once from one end of the ball court, it produces 9 echoes in the middle of the court. Additionally, a clap in front of the Kukulkan pyramid creates an echo resembling the serpent's chirp. Construction of Colosseum begins sometime in 70 and 72 after decade under the Emperor Vespasian. It opened nearly a decade later and was modified several times in the following years. The massive structure measured approximately 189 by 156 meters, towered 4 stories high, and included 80 entrants to the amphitheater, 76 for the patrons, 2 for the participants of events, and 2 exclusively for the emperor to use. The sheer number of entrances proved to be necessary. The Colosseum could hold more than 50,000 spectators at its maximum capacity. The Colosseum was used for gladiatorial contests. These contests took on many forms, from animal hunts to group battles to one-on-one competition. The series of earthquakes during the 5th century after decade damaged the structure, and it also suffered from neglect. By the 20th century, nearly 2/3 of the original building had been destroyed. Nevertheless, a restoration project began in the 1990s to repair the Colosseum. Today, it is one of the modern-day Rome's most popular tourist attraction, hosting millions of visitors a year. Petra is located about 150 miles south of both Jerusalem and Amman, which is the capital of Jordan. Petra was built by the Nabateans in what is now southern Jordan, while the civilization was great wealth trading with its Greek and Persian contemporaries around 150 before Christ. It was abandoned around the 7th century and rediscovered by Swiss explorer Johann in 1812. It wouldn't have been possible for Petra to exist if it had not been for the water channel system that was constructed to offer storage and supply for its people. As a result, there was apparently enough water to support the 30,000 citizens that are believed to have occupied Petra. The Mummy Returns, Indiana Jones, and The Last Crusade are the most noteworthy movies that were filmed at Petra. The movies amplified awareness of Petra, and therefore an increase of tourism to the site occurred. Christ the Redeemer is located in the southern Brazil. The statue of Christ the Redeemer was completed in 1931 and stands 98 feet tall, its horizontally outstretched arms spanning 92 feet. The statue has become emblematic of both the city of Rio de Janeiro and the whole nation of Brazil. Christ the Redeemer was built using reinforced concrete and has an outer shell of 6 million soapstone tiles. It's believed that the workers who made these tiles occasionally wrote notes on the back, meaning this iconic landmark is full of hidden messages. The original design of the statue was different to the way what we see today. It was intended for Christ to be holding a globe in one hand and a cross in the other rather than two open arms. Construction of the statue took 9 years. Beginning in 1922, it was finally finished in 1931 at a cost of $250,000.